Hey everybody, it's Eddie from Tokyo, and this is your cryptocurrency update today with Aline from Japan because that's where I live. I want to make a quick announcement, and I'm very excited. I'm going to be getting involved with the Blockstack Decentralized Internet Project. As you know, back in December, they were able to raise $52 million, and they're building a parallel internet where you own all your data. And I think after the recent Facebook, I don't even know what to call it, horrible leak of personal data, I think if privacy is important, then the decentralized internet is for you. So I will have more to announce on this project, but I'm very, very excited. Okay, let's take a look here. This is the coin market cap. It looks like Storm is up 166% today. Wow, that's crazy. And Tron, who, you know, love them or hate them, they're up 35%. And I just think they are misunderstood. So I'm not promoting them, but I guess maybe because I live in an Asian nation, I'm really close to China in terms of seeing how China is evolving. I maybe understand the CEO's approach and his, English is not his first language, so I think the West is a little hard on him. So I don't know. I'm watching Tron carefully, and I'm happy to see they're up 35% today. So if we take a look at the 24-hour chart of Bitcoin with candles that reflect 30 minutes, as you know, I like the longer duration because I can really see the volume at a glance. Yeah, we've had a little bit of some recovery. It still is a little bit lower volume, but you know, I think a lot of the coin are in the green today, so we're going in the right direction. All right, so the first story I want to talk about is Binance. Yesterday I talked about how I didn't believe the Nikkei was reporting on rumor or on a lack of information. I really believed they had a deep throat inside the FSA, and sure enough, they did. So, you know, it's okay if Binance wants to relocate to Malta. I feel bad for Japan because they're going to miss out on a lot of revenue that they could have gained from that company doing business in Japan. But you know, it is what it is, and I wish him all the best. I think if that's the right move for him, then I hope he takes care of his users in a safe and responsible way. I did find something interesting. These are the actual details of what is required to register a virtual currency exchange here in Japan, and you can see that he probably felt that this was just too mendokusai. Mendokusai is the word we use in Japan when things are a pain in the butt, a bother, just too annoying. So I have a feeling that the hoops he had to jump through were just too mendokusai, and he decided to say sayonara. So I'm going to put a link to this also down in the description. It's interesting to see exactly what the FSA, Financial Services Agency of Japan, is requiring. Okay, next. Yahoo Japan to launch a cryptocurrency exchange in 2018, says report. I was watching a lot of content providers that don't live in Japan, and they didn't think this was a big story, but what they don't understand is that Yahoo is a huge search engine here. It rivals Google, and that might surprise you, but I found this article, when you compare Google and Yahoo search engines in Japan, you'll see that the Japanese really prefer the Yahoo interface. And this is a great article that takes a really comprehensive view, actually, and looks at the differences and why Yahoo has such dominance here in this country. So the news about Yahoo starting a cryptocurrency exchange is actually big news, and then I'm positive they're going to be successful. So, okay. CoinCheck, let's put this story to bed, shall we? It looks like that the hackers inch closer to cash out. So it says here, according to Takayuki Suguda of L+, he was a company involved in cybersecurity. He says that the wallets where the stolen NEM went to on the dark web are virtually down to zero. So they have pretty much dispersed these stolen coins out and about, and that is why the tracking has ended. So let's hope this isn't like Mount Gox and revisits us in some haunting way in the future. But I plan to put this story to bed unless something else comes up that rocks the cryptocurrency space. All right, and last but not least, I want to bring to your attention a really great source for you in addition to my channel is Yuji Nakamura. He's a Bloomberg tech reporter in Tokyo, and he loves cryptocurrency, and he too can keep you up to date as to what's happening in this part of the world. So I just wanted to do a shout out to him because I really enjoy his tweets, and I really enjoy what stories he focuses on and what he finds. All right, so that's it today. Well, I hope you all are doing great and have a super weekend, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay, sayonara for now.